What if you could build an AI that book appointments, answer and qualify leads, and follow up with clients without writing a single line of code? For the next 30 days, I'm building a complete AI agent inside gohighlevel, and I'm documenting every step publicly. A. I'm Adeyemi Quadri. I help agency and service businesses increase revenue and profit by automating repetitive tasks like client onboarding, lead follow-ups, and after-hour calls using AI and automation. I'm starting a 30 days build in public challenge where I will create both a both voice AI agent and a conversation AI chatbot, just like a virtual receptionist inside High Level from scratch. And instead of only showing the polished final version, I will take you through the entire journey, planning, building, testing, failing, fixing, and launching of the AI employee. So, what am I building? Uh, for the voice AI that can answer calls, qualify leads, book appointments, update CRM record. Why for the conversational AI that can chat with lead via website or SMS, social media platform, capture data, trigger workflow, automate follow-ups. Why am I doing this? So a close friend of mine is a fabrication engineer, and he almost lost a major contract simply because he was hustling. Around 1 a.m., a woman had an emergency. An overhead water tank in her estate was poorly installed and could collapse, cause serious injury. She needed a fabricator urgently so it could be fixed first thing in the morning. So what she did, she searched fabricator near her on Google search, on Google Map, and found several options. My friend company was number 5 on the list. She started calling these companies one by one, but none of them answered because it was late at night. Fortunately, my friend was still awake and answered the call. That's how he secured the job. But if he had gone to bed earlier, he could have missed out just like the others. And let's be real, no one can awake, no one can stay awake 24/7 waiting for calls. So business does not lose money because they are not capable. They lose money because they are not available when customers need them. That's the problem I'm solving. Over the next 30 days, I'm building an AI employee that can answer calls, qualify prospects, and book appointments even when you are sleeping or unavailable. Stay tuned. This is going to change how small business operates. What to be expecting over these 30 days? Daily video updates, read demo, not theory, mistake and solution, behind the scenes setup, marketplace upload, monetization strategy. So if you want to follow this build and learn how to create AI agent yourself, hit subscribe and turn on notification. And if you like to eventually get access to this system or have it built for you, I will share details as we go.